Hi, I'm Bob Valentine with Techno CNC Systems, here to show off our new low-cost LC Series CNC router. This machine was designed and built to give you all the versatility, power, and accuracy of any industrial CNC router at half the price. Today, we're going to be cutting out a small cabinet box showcasing how we're able to cut out all of our gatos, our through cuts, and all of our drilling with just two simple tools. Today, we're going to be using Techno's 5mm drill bit as well as Techno's 6mm cabinet creator. This is our SW6M1278-3S. This cutter here is going to revolutionize the way that you manufacture cabinets in your shop. Let's get started.